Hello friends, welcome back to EHS World. Today I am going to focus on accident investigation, analysis and reporting. Learning is the key of success, so keep learning and keep growing. Please do like and subscribe my channel for upcoming new video on safety management system. In this session, we are going to cover philosophy of accident investigation, purpose of investigation and report, process and type of investigation, and accident analysis. So first of all, philosophy of accident investigation. Philosophy of industrial accident investigation should be clear and well explained to workers. It should not be oriented towards fault finding and blaming any individual. Its main objective is to find out the real causes of accident and then based on it to suggest appropriate remedial measures to prevent its recurrence. In the next we'll see purpose of investigation and report. The main purposes are to learn accident causes so that similar accident can be prevented by improvement of working conditions, actions and supervisions. This helps in designing accident prevention strategies to make the hazard known to the management, workers and supervisors to direct their attention to accident prevention. To find facts to determine legal liability and information for preventive purposes. If the purpose is to fix blame or responsibility, vital information will often be withheld or distorted. Therefore, an investigation should be for the preventive purpose to disclose facts and not faults. To establish procedures to combat damage claims under compensation laws. To determine the change or deviation that produce an error that in turn resulted in an accident, that is system safety analysis. In case of accident affecting the society as a whole, the government may intervene for the purpose of banning of the hazardous material or hazardous processes. To find out injury rate to compare safety performance of industry. To use the record for purpose of job safety analysis. To develop safety rules, procedures, bulletin, posters and material for safety meetings, motivation and awareness. To amend die safety law if it is thought necessary by the government. So in the next we'll see process and type of investigation. Process of investigation includes observation at site, interrogation with workers, fact findings, judgment and recommendations. During investigation, some questions need to be asked such as who was injured, what was he doing at the time of accident, where was he, who was with him, such as the eyewitness or the co-worker who was working with the injured person, what he has to say about accident or occurrences. So these questions must be asked during the investigation to find out the real causes of the accident, and the purpose of the investigation is based on to prevent the accident or to find out the real causes and then to decide the appropriate remedial or control measure to prevent the accident. Thanking you for watching this video. I do hope that the accident investigation topic is clear. Please do like and subscribe my channel for upcoming new video on safety management system.